Some of the top Republican presidential candidates are in Iowa this week as we approach next month's caucuses, January 15th. Former President Trump, though, continues to dominate the polls, despite remarks over the weekend that immigrants are, quote, poisoning the blood of our country. That obviously raised eyebrows and received major pushback from lawmakers in both parties. Correspondent Mark Meredith is in Des Moines tonight with the latest. Good evening, Mark.
Brett, good evening to you. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, he is here in Iowa, braving the cold this week, trying to shore up some support. We caught up with him earlier today, and while he was talking about some of the issues, he was also talking about what happened in New Hampshire over the weekend. Like you said, as former President Trump made the comment that he believes illegal immigrants are poisoning the blood of our country.
I don't know what this means with the blood stuff. I know people have tried to draw historical allusions. I don't know if that's what he meant, but here's the thing we need to do as Republicans. We need a nominee who's going to be able to press the case against Biden's failures without getting involved in stepping in it.
Trump has not backed away from the comments. He held a rally last night in Reno, even after the Biden-Harris campaign, as well as former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie called the comments unacceptable. Here's what he had to say in his own words.
You know, when they let, I think the real number is 15, 16 million people into our country, when they do that, we got a lot of work to do. They're poisoning the blood of our country. That's what they've done.
The latest Fox News polling shows Trump dominating among the GOP presidential primary overall. DeSantis sitting at 12% in second place, and former UN Ambassador Nikki Haley at 9%. Speaking of Haley, she's here in Iowa this week, too. The campaign says it's eager to build on some of the momentum it's developed in New Hampshire after it won the endorsement of Governor Chris Sununu. Haley is also now launching new campaign ads. She's been getting them on the airwaves not only in New Hampshire, but right here in Iowa. The ad out today focuses on President Biden's age. She says it should disqualify him for basically being president another 4 years, and it may also be a not-so-subtle dig at former President Trump. Brett.
Mark Meredith in Des Moines will be there soon. Thanks, Mark.